And there were designations of cutting tools. By designation, your nomenclature of cutting tools is the meant by the designation of the shape of the cutting part of the tool. The two system to designate the tool shape. First, that is your ASA system, जिसको बोला जाता है अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड एसोसिएशन सिस्टम या अमेरिकन नेशनल स्टैंडर्ड इंस्टीट्यूट ANSI। सेकंड सिस्टम होता है ऑर्थोगोनल रैक सिस्टम, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ORS सिस्टम। दिस इज अ फिगर फॉर ASA system. This one is the diagram for ASA system, and there are position ASA system. There are a section BB, section AA. This one is the diagram for field position CS, CE, A direction. So what is the representation of ASA system? In ASA system की जब बात की जाती है तो यहाँ पर in ASA system में जो angle of the tool face that it is slope are defined by two orthogonal plane. एक one parallel to the one parallel to and the other perpendicular, one parallel and to other perpendicular, और जो axis of the to the axis of the cutting tool, both planes being perpendicular to the base of the tool. Or for simple turning operation, the system as per diagram. There are a figure, and there are a AC system figure, and the typical angle right hand side and side right hand single point cutting tool terminology is given figure, and this is shows that gives a three view of the single point cutting tool with all details marked. तो पहला यहाँ पे आता है कि जिसको बोलते हैं SCEE, SCEA. SCE stands for side cutting edge angle. SCEA stands for side cutting edge angle, और साइड कटिंग एज एंगल में को रिप्रेजेंट करें हम लोग CS से. CS stands for side cutting edge angle, and also known as the lead angle is the angle between the side cutting edge or and the side of the tool shank. This one is the SCEA, side cutting edge angle. Side cutting edge angle represented by CS, and also known as the lead angle is the angle between the side cutting edge or side of the tool shank. Then next is the ECEA. ECA stands for end cutting edge angle. End cutting edge angle, that is ECEA. ये हमें कहाँ मिलेगा? That is the angle between the end cutting edge and line normal to the tool shank. That is your ECEA. And next, that is your SRA. SRA stands for side relief angle. Side relief angle, SRA. SRA stands for side relief angle, and it is the angle between the portion of the side flank immediately below the side cutting edge and the line perpendicular to the base of the tool, and measure at the right angle to the side flank. This one is the diagram for tool terminology, and there are a arrangement of diagram. So this one is the already we discussed in this diagram. There are a clearance or end relief angle. This one is the side cutting edge angle, side flank, side relief, axis, base, end flank, end cutting edge angle, and side rack angle, shank, axis, nose radius, side cutting edge, back rack angle, and so on. And then another figure that is shows in this, there are a feed direction, nose radius CS, then lip angle heel theta s, alpha s, and lip angle shank top face alpha b theta e. Then ERA stands for end relief angle. ये जो एंगल होगा इट इज द एंगल बिटवीन द पोर्शन ऑफ द एंड फ्लैंक immediately below the end cutting edge or and a line perpendicular to the base of the tool and is measured at the right angle to the end flank. BRA stands for back rag angle. It is the angle between the face of the tool and the line parallel to the base of the tool and measured in a plane that is perpendicular to the side cutting edge. This angle is positive, and if the side cutting is sloped downwards from the point toward the shank and if negative and is negative, if the slope of the side cutting edge is reverse, then so the angle gives the slope of the face of the tool from the nose towards the shank. That is your SRA, that is side rag angle. It is the angle between the tool face and the line parallel to the base of the tool and measured in a plane perpendicular to the base and the side cutting edge. This angle gives the slope of the face of the tool from the cutting edge, and the side rag is negative if the slope is towards the cutting edge and if the positive slope is away from the cutting edge. Then what are the important tools angle? So then our important tools angle, that is first is that is SCEA, that is side cutting edge angle. इसको डिनोट करते थे हम लोग CS से. तो इट इज द एंगल जो कि प्रिवेंट करता है इंटरफेस ऑफ द टूल इंटर्स द वर्क मटेरियल, और जो टिप ऑफ द टूल प्रोटेक्ट करता है एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द कट एंड फर्दर as it is enables the tool to contact the work first behind the tip, and the angle affect the tool life and surface finish. The angle can vary from 0 degree to 90 degree, and the side cutting edge at increased value of SCEA will be more if of its length in action for a given depth of cut, and the edge lasts longer. Also, the chip proceed will be a thinner and wider, which will distribute the cutting and heat produced over more the cutting edge. Then, on the other hand, this is a diagram of SCEA, yeah, or ECA. There is a position of this setting angle. This one is the tool. This one is the angle approach, and this one is the SCEA. SCE, that is side cutting edge angle. ECA, then also the chip produce will be the thinner and wider, which will be distribute the cutting and heat produced over the more of the cutting edge. On the other hand, the larger the angle, the greater the component of force tending to separate the work of the tool. This promotes chatter satisfactory value of SCA as where you are 15 degree to 30 degree. और जनरल मशीन की बात करते हैं तो जो शेप ऑफ द वर्क पीस होता है विल ऑल्सो डिटरमाइन SCA to produce 90 degree shoulder mine shoulder. 0 degree SCA is needed, and is a, no SCA is desirable when machining, casting and forging with hard and scaly skills, because of the least amount of tool edge should be exposed to the destructive action of the skin. देन देर अब एंड कटिंग एज एंगल, जिसको हम नोट करते हैं CE से, जो कि हम लोग यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं. दिस इज द डायग्राम फॉर एंड कटिंग एज एंगल, जो कि हमारा ECA जो प्रोवाइड करता है क्लियरेंस या रिलीफ टू द ट्रेलिंग और एंड द कटिंग एज, जो कि प्रिवेंट करता है रबिंग या ड्रैग बिटवीन द मशीन सरफेस और trailing, that is non-cutting part of the cutting edge. Only a small angle is sufficient for this purpose to large on ECA, or it takes away the material from the support to point and conducts away the heat, जो कि angle between 8 degree to 15 degree has been found satisfactory. The most cases of the side cutting tool like boring or turning tools. Sometimes on the finishing tools, जो small flat is 1.6 to 8 mm long, or is the ground On the front portion of the edge next to the nose, it is a level of irregular surface produced by roughing tools and end cutting tools.